So I recently had a moment of clarity in the midst of the holiday season's hustle and bustle. Waking up in the middle of the night, our minds are racing with endless tasks and looming deadlines as the holiday season approaches. Amidst this whirlwind, there's really a hidden magic by changing our perspective. By embracing gratitude and recognizing the value in each moment, our daunting tasks can become opportunities to create really beautiful memories. It's really about the joy and the love we bring to what we do manage to accomplish. So my message to you is simple. Do what you can, pour your heart into it, and most importantly, just enjoy the process. In the end, it's not about living up to high expectations, but about embracing the journey with all of its imperfections. Just have a heart filled with gratitude. The true beauty of life lies in these heartfelt attempts to make the most of our time, especially during this festive season. Let's do our best, find joy in the little things, and remember that our best indeed is always enough.